Hi everyone, I'm Shizuka. Today I'm going to cook Japanese curry. All you need is 200 grams of thin sliced beef, 1 big potato, 1 onion, a half of carrot, mushrooms, some green beans, a half of a piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, cooking oil, Katsuobushi, Kombu, curry powder, flour, soy sauce, Mirin, sugar, potato starch, ketchup, and salt. Put 1000 milliliters of water in a saucepan. Put a kombu in it and wait for 30 minutes. While waiting for 30 minutes, chop up the carrot, onion, and potato. Put the potato in a bowl with some water and wait for about 2 minutes and drain it. Mince the garlic and ginger. Chop up the green beans in half. Cut off the bottom of the mushrooms. Cut the beef to make it shorter. When 30 minutes have passed since you put a kombu and water in a pan, turn on the gas and heat it. Take the kombu out of the pan when it starts to boil. Add some katsuobushi. Turn down the flame and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Put a colander in a bowl and put some paper towel on the colander. Turn off the gas and pour the soup in it. Press the katsuobushi with a ladle like this. This golden soup is called dashijiru. We usually use this for making miso soup, but today I'll use this for curry. Put the curry powder, flour, and potato starch and 50 milliliters of water in a small bowl and mix it up. Add another 50 milliliters of water into it and stir it well. Put 2 teaspoons cooking oil in a big saucepan and add the garlic and ginger. Turn on the gas and turn down the heat. Stir it for about 30 seconds. Turn up the heat and add all the vegetables but the mushrooms. Stir it for 2 minutes and add the beef into the pan. When the beef is brown, pour the golden soup in the pan. Turn down the flame to medium heat. When it boils, remove any scum. Add the mushrooms, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, three tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 tablespoons ketchup, and 1/3 teaspoon salt. Turn down the flame to low heat and let it simmer for 7 minutes. Stick a fork into the potato. If it sticks through the potato smoothly, it's time to put the curry powder. Before adding it, mix it again until it gets smooth. Stir it into the soup well and let it simmer for 6 minutes. Ta-da! It's done! I also put the link of the recipe in the description box, so if you want to read the instructions, please check that out.